Hello everybody, this is Tyler DeCarlo from Premium Dent Repair. Today we are working on this 2015 Golf. Has a pretty big dent in the front left fender, going right through the body line. As you can see, there's crowns going all the way up and through. And then we got a couple little dents on the left rear door here. We got one right down in here, about the size of a golf ball. And then about a quarter-size dent right up here. So these dents are fixable 100% with Paintless Dent Repair. Let's get started on the process. So for this estimate, we use Mobile Tech RX, our estimation software. So on this fender here, what we did was a 2-inch deep dent, meaning it's a little deeper than your average dent. It's about 2 inches wide. And it's on a body contour line with a little bit of obstructed damage. The price for this dent is $360.75. So for the dents in the left rear door, we just charged them both as one dent, 1.5 inches, and the total came to $240.50 plus tax. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just slowly knocking down any crowns. And what that is going to do is help release the dent. So when I start pushing from the backside, it'll just come up a lot cleaner and a lot nicer. So the dent's really sharp into this body line. So I'm just really taking my time with it. I have a sharp tool and I'm just doing really slow, precise pushes right in the deepest part of this dent. Just bringing it up slowly, taking my time with it. Lots of heat as well.